me fix you ice cream. Wow! Or come hang with me, and tonight we'll be dirty dancing with the football team. Wow! 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 Honey, what you waiting for? Welcome to my candy store. It's time for you to prove you're not a loser anymore. Step into my candy store. Guys all at your feet, pay the check, help you cheat. All you need to know, some dead weight has to go. That freak's not your friend, I can tell.